In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the music sticker not showing on your Instagram. So as you can see, I'm on my Instagram stories right here, and if we click on the stickers icon, as you will notice that now there is an option for music. So if you don't have this, this is how you can go ahead and fix it. So what we need to do is head all the way back to our homepage, and then first of all, we need to head over to our Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. Go ahead and search for Instagram. And then once we do this, we need to make sure that we have the most relevant and updated version of Instagram that there is available. So if it says update right there where it says open on mine, you can click on update to update the app. But if this is already done, what you can do is head on back, go over to our settings. And then once we go over to our settings, we need to scroll down until we see the option for apps. Click on apps, and then we can now go ahead and search for Instagram. Once we search for Instagram, what we can do is scroll down until we see the option for storage. Click on storage, and now you can clear cache and also clear data. Once you do this, you can then go ahead and sign back into your Instagram account. Once you sign back in, you should have the music option available. So it's just that simple to fix the music option not showing on Instagram.